How to find and copy a Wi-Fi password on iPhone. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. First, open the settings app on your iPhone and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi network for which you want the password. Next, to the connected network, you will see an information icon, a small eye and a circle. Tap on it. In the details screen, look for the password field. Tap on it and you will be prompted to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Once verified, the password will appear. You can then copy the password by holding down on it until the copy option appears. Once copied, you can easily share it with your friends or family. And here we go. That's how you find and copy a Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.